deviation from octet rule and Fajan's rules. First, what is the derivation of octet rule, which you already studied? During the formation of a molecule, an atom of a particular element gains, loses, and shares electrons until it acquires a stable configuration of 8 electrons in its valence shell. Definition: octet rule. Then, next is the octet rule is served as a guiding principle in the understanding of the combination of atoms to form various molecules. The rule proved to be very useful in a large number of cases. However, it failed in many cases and had several exceptions. Some important exceptions to this rule are as follows. That means the stable configuration means 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. But there are compounds forming less than 8 and but stable. For example, 6 electron and 4 electron. Or these are stable even though they are not attaining 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Similarly, there are 10 electrons and 12 electrons in the outermost orbit and they are also stable instead of 8. We are going to study these exceptions. That means less than 8 and more than 8. Hydrogen. The electronic configuration is 1s1. Has only one electron in the valence shell, which is the first shell, that is K shell. K shell can accommodate only a maximum of 2 electrons. Thus, an atom of hydrogen needs only 1 electron to complete its outermost shell to achieve the stable electronic configuration, similar to that of the inert gas helium. Therefore, a hydrogen atom does not need to achieve an octet to achieve a stable configuration. Give reason why hydrogen is not having 8 electrons but it is stable. Next is the Lewis structure of some molecules containing hydrogen are as follows. That is, just like hydrogen, there are some other molecules are there which are giving exception. First, hydrogen, it is having only 2, not 8. Ammonia, in that hydrogen is there. Hydrogen is getting stabilized. We are not taking nitrogen. We are considering the hydrogen in ammonia. Hydrogen is having only 2 electrons and considered as a stable configuration. In water, hydrogen is considered as stable even though they are getting only 2 electrons. These are the other examples, hydrogen present in the compounds. Next, other type of compounds other than hydrogen. Compounds at BF3, that is boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, beryllium fluoride, beryllium chloride. These compounds neither boron nor beryllium atom possess octets. For example, beryllium trifluoride. Beryllium got only 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. Boron. Boron got only 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. When it is shared with fluorine, it gets only 6. In boron fluoride, also boron is having only 3 electrons. When it is shared with chlorine, boron is also getting only 6. Now, in beryllium, see, beryllium got only 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. When it is sharing with fluorine, it gets only 2 plus 2, that is 4. And this beryllium chloride, this is beryllium fluoride and chloride, both are having only 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. When it shares with chlorine, it gets 2 plus 2, that is 4. It is not octet. Both beryllium and boron, they are not having 8 electrons in the outermost orbit, but they are stable. These are all exceptions.